Alright, you guys, I made it into a new Homegoods location. So $15. I think we might have seen this one. It's like the cute cherry print. That's $15. And yeah, a lot of cherry print. Gigi's House, which I know is seen. This is by Rachel Zoe. It's gonna be like the Eiffel Tower. And roses, you know, look at them. Romanticizing, or you know, being romantic. $10. Oh, what is this one? Be Mine. Also, it's like, hey you. Crazy for You. First Kiss. That is $15. My Grand Pups. Oh my gosh, I've never seen this one. It's kind of funny. It's by Isaac for $10. It says, my grand pups are my valentines. My grand pups. You do get 3 though. Yeah, I know. That's why I said I never seen it. And this is 10. These are kind of cute, like little ladybugs.
That's next, my furnies.
You Make My Heart Smile. And then we have more over here. Okay. That's a lot of prints. And there's more down here. They have a lot. Look at the little porcupine friends. Love for $7. This one's kind of cute. It's just very simple, like colorful hearts too on it. $17. A lot of puppy ones. Here's a weenie dog forming a heart. It's funny. And this one is $7. Okay. That's cute. I want to bring out this other one right here. This is 10, and you all get 3. It's actually really cute. And there's more down here. My gosh, I've never seen so many kitchen towels. Not even in our location. We got pink, lovebirds on a bike, smooching, chocolate strawberries, I love you very much. Some Nicole Miller. Mi casa is su casa. $10. Hearts. More hearts down there. Got the jam toast hearts too. I've never seen this one. You get, is this one different? Love is Love. Oh, so you get like 2 of the same ones? Yeah, oh, you get 3. And they have like Nicole Miller by Macaroon. By Macaroon, there are macaroons on it. That's cute. Doggy one. I forgot his name. What is his name? Squirrel guy.
Which one?
This.
Oh, Doug.
Doug. There we go, Doug. Public Menace. Obviously, it's the I forgot his name too. It's been so long since I've seen the movie. $8.
There's Russell.
Russell, we know Russell. The cherry mug, heart one. Oh, look at they're together. It's $8. My greatest adventure. Oh my god, it's gonna make me cry. That would make me cry.
Carl. His name's Carl.
Look at this one.
Oh, is that the Ellie one? Oh, yeah.
That's sad, huh? 8. And then we have some blue down here. These are actually quite pretty. Those are $5.99. $5.99 for that. Gold heart. Okay, and we have the owls. Love potion. Is that Christmas? It looks kind of, to me it does, or it could be spring. I'm not too sure. What is this one? Oh, Captain Hook. This is a new one. 10. Well, I haven't seen it. I didn't realize it was the hat though. That's kind of funny. There we go, Captain Hook. You see that one, babe?
Hmm. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
It has a cap.
I know. The large lemon one. You have bowls down here at the bottom. Never seen that, huh?
Mm-mm. He's so small in there too, though. You think they make it nice and big. At least have the crocodile too.
These are pretty much 8, like for the tiny ones. Stitch bowl. Also have a green one. $7. Okay. Have this little heart in the back. I want to say all these might be $7. Well, that one in the back is $5.99. 7, so like maybe between $5.99 and $7. Okay, this is cute. These are $5.99. And if you want like the starfish plate, these are gonna be $8. Okay, $8 for that. Oh, this is cute too. They have like new kitchenware in this location. $8. And there's more that looks like a raindrop, but it's not. It's just a shape. $8 for this one. Are they stuck? Okay, the whole thing. Okay, those are cool. Live coming to new locations that have like tons of new items. They're filled in. Like a lot of these are $20 right here. And you got the cheese knives. That's kind of cool right here. Okay, check this one out. This plate is $3.99. Let me put that back. Then we have like these bowls. I think they're kind of clear. $5. Let me pull it out real quick. I don't know why the camera's glitching like that. You see that? It's like doing that weird glitching. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. It's weird.
Yeah,
$5. 7. So interesting. Up on top it's $12.99. Now you could find items like this right here in Kohl's, but Kohl's is gonna ask you way more money. I think some of them are similar, but Kohl's is a little more pricey. And that's 7. That's 10 right here. And over here is $29.99. Oh, this is cute. That one's cute. I've seen these. These are $12.99 and they are marbled on top. But look at this one. Here. You see them? Isn't that cute? $25 for that. I like that. And it is marbled. Oh, the Lazy Susan. It is. These are my favorite. This one too. It is. Oh my gosh. Then on this side we have the 2-tiered. Okay, I believe these might be Kate Spade. No, 5, but Kate Spade does have something really similar. $5. And this one is by Tahari. Okay, let's see a price on this bad boy. Maybe right here. Oh no, I don't want to lift it or anything. And then we have the 3-tiered. This one's gonna be $200. And you have the gems. Okay, with Sweet Love, that's cute too. It's like another redone. Well, it is redone. That is $15. We have Farm Fresh. On top, $3.99. Actually, it is filled in here. It's just kind of tiny.
How big was that hamburger?
I don't know. Cat toys and wall art over here. Okay, $15. This 15 as well. Let me walk over here. Okay, I believe it's where their home decor is. Oh look, I think we might have seen this guy before. $25. Does light up. Look at that guy, he is 50. This one's interesting. This product is made from natural agate. How do we say this word? I'm like, is that a rock or something?
Agate?
I don't know. But I mean, it's cool. It's heavy. $29.99.
Some say agate, some say agate.
Her little tutu is.
We'll call it a rock.
It's nice. $29.99. Oh, here's the clear balloon dog. That's $50. Welcome home. A lot of ballerina or dancer statues. And we have some stones. $25. This one is a little different. That's $29.99. Look at that. Let me shine. There we go. Riding bike. These are cool too. I like the square links too. They're $25. And that one's different. $4.25. The dog with angel wings. This is $40. Look, I didn't even see that.
That's cool.
Okay, and we have more decor. That is $17. Wait. Oh, it's on a music mic? Huh. This one has hearts on it. I don't see like their Valentine stuff. Look at the lion. This location has like interesting stuff. 20. Actually drove an hour. An hour away. Look at this one. Got a big booty. Good price. 40, and this one's 40 as well. I like that. And then on top, this one's 40. And $39.99. Look at that. There's like some new horses here. Again, seeing the horses run free. And oh my gosh, you know, people, those fires that are going on, and you know, they're just letting their animals go. It is crazy. And it's very, very sad too, what's going on. The horses reminding me, because I saw a video of horses running. Okay, it looks, here's some more pottery. Oh look, have I shared the spaceship, you guys? This is 25 right here. Okay, here is their furniture in this location. This chair looks comfy too. Kind of like stuff like that. I'm trying to find where their wall art would be. I think it's in front of me. $180. They have two drawers that pull out right here. I guess that could be like a little side desk. Hey. $200 marbled on top. And then I believe it has two drawers. And there's this pink one for $100. Hey, how about a chair like this for her room? It's wide.
Yeah.
That's 100.
Might work for her.
Well, how much are? Yeah, that might work.
Computer chairs the same price.
Yeah, but I mean, this lifts up too. And it looks a little more comfier, I think. In the back, that's 115. Okay. Let's look at some of their wall art. I didn't see throws here. I just saw those right there. 250, 40. Well, they're all the same. E. $39.99, so 40. And $59.99. Oh, that cowboy. Look, there's a picture of cowboy boots. Okay, guys, if we want something like this, let's go to Boot Barn, because you know they have the whole racks of cowboy boots and cowgirl boots.
Take a picture.
And take a picture.
It looks like it's at Boot Barn. Get the shit.
Or what, Cowtown or whatever. William Morris right here, $59.99. That's 50. I wonder if these are all the same. Yeah. 80. That's 40. Monopoly, we did see another video, be a goldfish. Well, this one say pancakes made in Greece. That is 80. 80 bucks for that. $59.99. No way. Okay. And that's 40. Alright, you guys. I believe this might be it for this location. I didn't see much of Valentine's stuff. Just like those heart wreaths that we've seen before. You know, like, let me see if I could cross without the pencil shaving ones. Because I know we've seen those. Oh, there's Clue down there. Oh. Just the cover, okay. Alright, you guys, please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one. Doesn't this bowl back here look like caramel drizzle wafer?
Yeah.
I was thinking about that when I was walking past.
It does look like
Yeah.